we will be going over the C, D, and E second octave scale. For the C and D, to successfully execute the scale, we will be needing to shift to third position. For the C scale, once you reach the G, you will need to put your first finger where the A goes. So you see here, the G, and this first finger is going to go down to the A. Again, quick reminder, we do not slide when shifting. We want to execute the transition quickly. So here we go. C scale, no sharps or flats, starting at 70 beats per minute, a little bit slower than the other scales. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next scale will be the D, 2 sharps, F and C. Same technique. After G, we're shifting to the A. And this time, instead of finishing like we did on the C with the third finger, we'll be finishing on the fourth finger. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the E scale, we have 4 sharps again, F, C, G, and D. And instead of going from third position, we will be now doing fourth position, where our first finger, instead of going from G to A, our first finger will be changing from A to B. So as you can see on the fretboard, once we reach the A, once we go to the B, the first finger will be shifting down. And again, no sliding. We want to execute the shift quickly as possible. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift.